Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we saw the circumstances which led to the First World War. In this video, we are going to see causes of the First World War. Let's see. Let's see the causes of the First World War. The first one is European alliance and counter alliance. In 1900, five European great powers, that is Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy, France and Russia, divided into two armed camps. First camp had Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. They formed the Triple Alliance in 1882 with the help of the German Emperor Bismarck. In Camp 2 had France and Russia. Their alliance formed in 1894 with the promise of mutual help. If Germany attack either of them, if Germany attack Russia, means France will go for help. If Germany attack to France, then Russia will come for help. An isolated Britain wanted to break her isolation and it approached Germany twice, but in vain. Japan was hostile, that is enmity towards Russia due to France ally with Russia. It preferred to join Britain. The Anglo-Japanese alliance prompted France to seek an alliance with Britain to resolve colonial dispute over Morocco and Egypt. Okay, so France allowed Britain to have Egypt. This resulted in N.T. Cordell 1904. Further, again Britain reached an agreement with Russia over Persia to solve the colonial disputes in Afghanistan and Tibet. Thus formed the Triple Entente, that is Britain, France and Russia in 1907. In this picture, Germany, Austria, Hungary and Italy joined together form a Triple Alliance in 1882. Next, British and France joined together formed Entente Cordell in 1904. Afterwards, Russia joined with them to form a Triple Entente in 1907. Next cause is violent form of nationalism. One's love towards the country. Nationalism means one's love towards the country. With the growth of nationalism, the attitude of my country right or wrong, I support it, developed among the people. The love for one country demanded hatred for another country. England's jingoism, France's Chauvinism and Germany's Kultur were militant form of nationalism, contributing decisively to the outbreak of First World War. Next cause is aggressive attitude of German Emperor. Kaiser William II, being aggressive, claimed that Germany would be the leader of the world. After Napoleon's defeat in Trafalgar 1805, he was in pursuit of British. Germany's aggressive behavior and naval expansion made Britain feel that it would attack her. This created a tension between two powers as one of the cause. That is, after the defeat of Napoleon at Trafalgar 1805, Britain took control of sea. On the other hand, Germany being aggressive and expanded its naval power, so Britain thought Germany was going to attack her. The Britain also made her naval base strong. This created a tension between the two powers, making it one of the cause for First World War. Next cause is hostility of France towards Germany. France and Germany were old rivals, that is old enemies. France had bitter memories of defeat of Alaska and Lorraine to Germany in 1871. Germany's interference in Morocco and France-British agreement added the bitterness. Kaiser intentionally recognized independence to Morocco and demanded international conference to decide the future of Morocco. That is, France and Germany were old rivals in Franco-Prussian War that took place in 1871. Peace was concluded by giving Alaska Lorraine to Germany. This made a bad memories in the minds of French people. Moreover, Germany interference in Morocco added to the bitterness because Morocco was a France colony. The British agreement with France was not considered by Germany. He intensively recognized independence of the Sultan of Morocco and demanded international conference to decide the future of Morocco. The next cause is imperial power politics in the Balkan. Austria and Russia made an agreement that Austria would annex Bosnia and Herzegovina. After the announcement of annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia started opposing. That is, to make Turkey as a strong and modern nation, they started the revolution in 1908. It gives the opposition to the work of Austria and Russia together in Balkans. Germany came in support of Austria, promising that if it invades Serbia and if Russia came in support of Serbia, then Germany would assist Austria. This enmity between Austria and Serbia led to the World War. That is, Austria and Russia met and agreed that Austria would annex Bosnia and Herzegovina, while Russia should have freedom to move her warship through the Dardanelles and the Porus to the Mediterranean. Germany wanted to extend of promising that if Austria invades Serbia and in consequence Russia helped Serbia, Germany would come to Austria's assistance. The enmity between Austria and Serbia led to the outbreak of First World War. Next cause is Balkan War. Turkey was a powerful country in the southwest of Europe in the first half of 18th century. The Ottoman Empire extended over Balkans and across Hungary and Poland. The empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. Both the Turk and the nationalists indulged in massacres and atrocities. Taking this advantage, Greek and other began to flee from Turkey. Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and Montenegro started fighting for Macedonia since it had a mixed population. In March 1912, these countries formed Balkan League and defeat Turkey in the First Balkan War. After the Treaty of London in 1913, the new state Albania was formed and Macedonia was divided between them. Turkey was thus reduced to Constantinople. The division of Macedonia, however, did not satisfy Bulgaria. Bulgaria attacked Serbia and Greece, but Bulgaria was easily defeated. The Second Balkan War ended with the signing of Treaty of Bucharest in August 1913. In this picture, we can see the Balkan countries which are under the control of Turkey. These Balkan countries form a Balkan League and fought against the Turkey. That is called First Balkan War. This war was concluded by the Treaty of London. After the First Balkan War, Balkan countries were freed from Turkey. Turkey was reduced to Constantinople. And the last cause is immediate cause. On 28 June 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, nephew and heir to Franz Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated by a Bosnian Serb. Austria gained an opportunity to declare Serbia as an independent state. There was a rumor that Russia would help Serbia against Austria, believing that Germany started to attack Russia. Even though there was no quarrel with France due to Franco-Russian alliance, Germany attacked both the countries, that is France and Russia. This German violation of Belgian neutrality caused Britain to enter the war. With this, I'll end this video. In the next video, we'll see causes of the First World War. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. If you like this video, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. All the best.